You are now listening to the Rationetics Experience. Enjoy. मुझे अभी याद है जब सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी पिक्चर आई थी. आई डिडंट रियली पर्टिकुलर लाइक दैट मूवी. इट वाज ओके, but of course it proved to be the blockbuster for Karthik Aryan, and his career actually exploded by that movie, as you might have remembered. And so people started saying that he's so fucking overrated. Yeah, he doesn't deserve this success, and I was one of them. टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, आई वाज लाइक यार मेरे को इतना पसंद नहीं है बंदा, इसको फालतू चढ़ा रखा है इतना, ये वो हर जगह यही दिखता है. एंड नॉर्मल सी तो है, पिक्चर भी बेकार थी, इतनी कोई खास नहीं थी. इतना पता नहीं लोगों ने क्यों चढ़ा रखा है, हर जगह इसको अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं, सारी इंडोर्समेंट्स ले गया, इसको पिक्चरें मिल रही हैं, ये वो फलाना डहका. पता नहीं क्यों लोगों ने इसको इतना चढ़ा रखा है, समझ में नहीं आया. शक्ल भी अजीब सी दिखती है वो. एंड होल लॉट ऑफ जजमेंट ऑन द गाय without even knowing him, without even taking a peek at his career. I had no clue, just passed on some judgments. Even though I had seen Pyar Ka Panchnama a couple of years back and both the parts, I was just passing judgments on him blindly, without even knowing his story. Then once he came on a show and he told his story, and I read on Wikipedia as well that he was 10 years into making. It took him 10 years to achieve that sort of success. And I was like, fuck, I was so wrong. Like, how can I judge a guy that much? उसने 10 साल मेहनत करी, रगड़ा घिसा, अपार्टमेंट में रहा मुंबई में पता नहीं कितने लोगों के साथ, कितने ऑडिशंस दिए, एंड तब जाके उसको उसकी किस्मत ने. एंड ही डिडंट गिव अप, बाय द वे, ही वाज परसिस्टेंट. नाउ I would like to clarify that I am not a fan of Karthik Aryan at all. I'm just saying from a human point of view that I was so wrong. And we are, when we judge people like that, when we pass such subtle judgments on them, such small judgments. And some people actually even comment and troll these people that they are so fucking overrated or something. When you don't know someone, you don't get a say to pass judgment on them. First, see the full picture, less on judgment, more understanding and more empathetic and more kind towards them. We didn't realize that he was 10 years into making, and kitni usne mehnat kari, and he deserved all of it, every bit of it, or whatever he's getting, of that patience. 10 साल पता है कितने ज़्यादा होते हैं. But we don't realize that. We just pass judgment on anybody who we seen because they're public figures, so we think we have the right to do that. No, we don't. And in some world, and I don't know what shitty world, it might be okay to put trash on someone or pass judgments on someone, but you don't do that because it's not it's not right. It's just not right when we don't know their story. And he fucking deserves everything he got. Yes, you can have your opinions that you may not like him, but don't trash someone. Don't pass shitty comments when you don't know their story. Just don't. Be more empathetic, be more kind. World needs more kind of people. World needs more people like that. Not shitty people, not trashy people, not trolls. Be kind.